Hi everyone! Get ready to embark on a journey of self-healing, growth, and self-discovery with us. We want to invite you to our upcoming Crystal and Christic Reiki Therapist Healer Workshop, where you will experience profound healing. We're not just teaching a class at our workshop. We share our passion and love for this incredible technique. We genuinely believe in its transformative power and can't wait to guide you through this life-changing experience. What can you expect to learn in a Crystal and Christic Reiki Therapist Healer training course? In this workshop, you will learn more than 25 sacred symbols that will empower you to heal any health, mental, or emotional situation and achieve balance across your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies. You will learn to cleanse your Akashic records and your DNA molecules with our most powerful therapy, the integral therapy with the Creator Tech LSR. You will have a lot of practice, exercises, and tools to heal the limiting beliefs, the programming, ancestral situations from this and several past lives, reprogramming them into a total success. You will be able to transform your life, cleanse your chakras and aura, and help heal animals and nature. You will also have the incredible opportunity to discover the effectiveness of cosmic healing and raise your levels of consciousness, benefiting not only yourself but also your loved ones and the planet. Step into Crystal and Christic Reiki and unlock your healing potential. Immerse yourself in the journey of self-discovery where you'll connect, learn, and elevate your Reiki practice to a new height. Reserve your spot now for 21 days of positive vibes, healing connections, and transformational growth. Join us at the Crystal and Christic Therapist Healer Workshop, where love and passion fuel our teaching, and we can wait to share this journey with you. We hope to see you. Some people think that learning Crystal and Christic Reiki or doing a consultation should be in person. And I am here to tell you, after 10 years of practice, that you can learn Crystal and Christic Reiki or do a session both ways. In our case, we do our workshops online because we work with people from different parts of the world, and so that way it's easier to connect with us. But since we work with the universal energy of the spiritual guides, no matter where you are, you will receive and feel the information the same way.
Yes, everyone who wants to make a difference in the world and has the gift of service can learn Crystal Christic Reiki in the Solange Estrella formation. We have different levels. We have Reiki for adults from 18 and over, and Reiki for children from 5 years old to 17.
With Crystal and Christic Reiki, you will learn how to protect yourself energetically. You will learn how to vibrate high and maintain that vibration. You will also strengthen your connection with your higher self and your spiritual guides. And remember, your spiritual guides will always accompany you in this beautiful path.
Yes, that is the beauty of Crystal Christic Reiki, that you can start on you, and during the workshop you will also practice with your immediate family members, giving you the opportunity to feel comfortable when working with others. As soon as you graduate, you can start earning money for your therapies and healing and balancing the chakras and the aura. As you advance in the Solange Estrella formation, you can learn other healing therapy techniques, learning and earning your way to becoming an angelic life coach.
You'll be able to manage your emotion, recognizing them and transforming them into feelings. Also, you will connect even more so with your body, so that way you can recognize those situations that are not helping you to be in perfect health, and create affirmations, changing your mindset, changing your thoughts to create a positive way of thinking and a positive way of living. And this will help all your 5 bodies, so that way you are always shining in perfect health.
No, it will not interfere with any of your beliefs. Remember, this is pure healing energy that comes from the universal source. It has nothing to do with religion. It is your connection with your spirituality.
After completing your training, you will connect with more crystal and Christic Reiki therapist healers. Also, we have monthly meetings where we do reviews, where we practice certain technique, where we do intentions. We also have a chat where you can, ask questions or share your experiences if you want to. And every Thursday, we meet live via YouTube for our Cosmic Healings with the Angels, where you can participate in sending healing to everyone that you know and everyone who is participating in the healing circle.
Crystal Cristic Reiki is the first step of 3 to become an angelic life coach. As a worker of light and love grows, you will learn powerful techniques and tools with the energy of Father, Mother God, and the New Earth Gaia. We are the leaders of light and love, staying current with the planetary ascension.